Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS Flexbox. Use the flex shrink property to shrink items. Now, so far we all the property in the challenges apply to the flex container. That is the parent of flex items. However, there are several useful properties for flex items, that is children of the flex container. The first is flex shrink property. When it's used, it allows items to shrink if the flex container is too small. Item shrinks when the width of parent container is smaller than the combined width of flex items within it. The flex shrink property takes number as value. The higher the number, the more it will shrink compared to other items in the container. For example, if one item has flex shrink value of 1 and the other has flex shrink value of 3, the value of with the one with the value of 3 will shrink 3 times as much as other. So let's see the challenge. Add the CSS property flex shrink to both box 1 and back box 2. Give box 1 value of 1 and box 2 value of 2. So what it should do when we add box 1 value to means property flex shrink to 1, then it should not do any changes, and in when we give flex shrink value of 2, then it will shrink in 2 is to 1, means the area covered by blue box is 2 and the area covered by red is 1, means if the value is larger then the area covered by a small will be smaller, like in case of 20 you can see that how small a space it takes. So in if we divide the whole box in 21 part, then the box 2 is taking only one part of the is 20 and the rest is given to box 1. So let's keep it to 1 and 2 and see the test cases. The box 1 element should have the flex shrink property set to value of 1. So in case of box 1, the flex shrink value is 1 and the box 2 element should have the flex shrink property set to value 2. Flex shrink property to 2. So let's run the tests and it's successful. So download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.